Look at this delicious hummus sandwich. Would you like to know how I made this? Then you should probably watch this video.
Start by buttering up your toasted rye bread. Always toast your rye bread. Pour your canned chickpeas into a bowl and season them with lemon, salt and pepper and the best available olive oil you have. This is my potato masher, and I'll use it to squeeze the living daylight out of the chickpeas and then quickly switch to a fork since the potato masher was no good at all. Taste the hummus and add more of anything if needed. I use 2 big egg-shaped spoonfuls for each slice. The topping salad consists of lamb lettuce, radish, tomatoes and sweet peppers, moist with some lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper, just a touch. Place the topping and finish it off with some roasted smoked almonds. And voila, you have the most beautiful and fantastic hummus sandwich.
If you would like to know how to make more open sandwiches, Danish cuisine style food, then you should probably follow this channel and subscribe and do all this sort of stuff that everyone says. I know. But please subscribe, it makes me very, very happy. See you soon. Bye bye.